Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Chord Guitar, another song coming out from the new album, Selena and Benny's collab. And this one is called Ojos Tristes. Okay, it translates into sad eyes. And this, as many other songs from this album, is very simple to play, guys. Very straightforward. So let's go into the sad eyes song. And we're gonna do that with capo on the first fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with A minor. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D next. That goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. G next, and it will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have the F sharp minor 7, and we have a variation for this specific song. Okay, so it's a little bit awkward and odd, but it goes like that. Second E, fourth A, second D, and then just open strings down below. Open G, open B, and open E. We have the B7 next. It's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the second fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. And finally, we have the E minor chord. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So there you have the 6 different chords, and they go in that same order throughout the song. So very simple strumming pattern to this. If you grab the first chord, A minor, you have down, up, clap, up, like this. So down, up, clap, up. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. Goes like this. And so on. All right, so let's go into it, and we're gonna play A minor 2 string rounds, D 2 string rounds, and G4. That's the first half of it. Then we have the F sharp 2 string rounds, the B7 2, and E minor 4. And that ends one round. You just keep on rolling this one. So let's do a couple of rounds together. Again, A minor, D, G, F sharp, B, and E minor. And there you have it, guys. A nice song coming out from the two Ojos Tristes. So thank you for watching, and play tuned.